Hi, this is Steve Biggs of Boatshed, Norfolk, on board the 93 Sealine 290 sports cruiser. This is the interior. Integral bathing platform with snap davits and fender storage, leading through transom gate into what is a very nice upholstery cockpit. One cushion needs repair that I can see. I'll point that out to you. All white, all original. So this small cushion, which is from there to there, obviously got a little split there and a little split there, so probably about £150 to sort that out. Good access with two big hashes to the two AD41 diesel motors. Very good condition canopy. Lots of zip out sections, leaving a bimini if you want it. All clean and tidy, all in the original gel coat. 3-seat helm seats slide forwards and backwards, so you can get yourself very comfortable. VHF Raymarine Dragonfly chart plotter. Someone's replaced all the engine instruments with new Farrier gauges, which are lovely and clear. Bow thruster control, trim tack controls. Really very nice boats these. The storage on these boats are incredible. There are lockers everywhere, in the cockpit, around the cockpit, under the cockpit, including under the floor, a large lazarette. Moving down to the inside, the woodwork is very good on this boat. Really clean, tidy. A little bit of bagging on the headlining, which is common on boats this age. Pretty easy fix if you wanted to do it, but otherwise it's certainly livable. Upholstery is very good order. Flooring in very good order. Table will drop down, this will convert to a double. Excellent size heads and shower compartment, which is jack and jill to the main aft cabin, so you can get in to the aft cabin from here. But really good condition, good size, large entry door. Infill cushions for the saloon. Two singles, can be made to a double. There is an escape hatch at the back which leads into the cockpit. Again, the woodwork in very tidy order. She's actually a very nice example of a 290. Good sized galley, plenty of storage. Folder there of boat history, lots of receipts and bills. Headlining, all good. Twin sinks. Twin burner cooker, oven and grill. Refrigerator. Plenty of storage. Warm air diesel heating, twin AD41s. This is going to be quite a quick boat. I had the 328 version of this and that pushed over 30 knots. If you'd like further information on this 290, please contact me, Steve Biggs at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.